The RTX 4090 is a flagship GPU from NVIDIA Ada Lovelace series, built on a 4nm process. It offers exceptional performance for 4K gaming and high-end content creation, powered by 16,384 CUDA cores and 24 GB of GDDR6X memory. With advanced features like DLSS 3 and 3rd-gen ray tracing cores, it delivers stunning visuals and high frame rates, making it a popular choice for enthusiasts and professionals. The RTX 5090, based on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, represents the next leap in GPU technology. Manufactured with a 3nm process, it boasts 21,760 CUDA cores and 32 GB of GDDR7 memory. It introduces DLSS 4 and 4th-gen ray tracing cores, delivering unmatched performance, even in 8K gaming. With up to 50% faster processing than its predecessor, the RTX 5090 is designed for gamers and creators who demand the very best. Performance. Processing speed. The RTX 5090 offers up to 50% faster shader processing compared to the RTX 4090, thanks to an increased number of CUDA cores and improved architecture. Ray tracing. The new generation RT cores in the RTX 5090 deliver more realistic lighting effects and faster game execution. DLSS technology. The RTX 5090 introduces DLSS 4, which significantly enhances image quality and performance by predicting frames in advance using advanced AI models. Resolutions and FPS. The RTX 5090 easily maintains stable FPS at 4K resolutions, while also supporting high-performance 8K gaming. Conclusion. The RTX 5090 brings significant improvements in almost every aspect compared to the RTX 4090. Key advantages include faster speeds, improved AI support and DLSS technology, larger memory capacity, and better performance in modern games. On the downside, increased power consumption and higher price might pose challenges for users with a limited budget.